Hello and welcome to Journey on the Trail. Today we are at Broughton Nature and Wildlife Area, and we're going to go over and hit some different small trails real quick before dinner. What's the name? It's Broughton Wildlife Nature Area, right? Nope, Broughton Nature and Wildlife Area. Tongue twister. Anyways, so hope you enjoy following along as we do a quick little day hike before we have to head home for dinner. All right, let's keep on moving down the trail. Whoa. Okay.
We'll see more up here.
Oh, I'm sure we will. All kinds of flowers and stuff.
Yeah.
So we're starting off on the orange trail. We'll see where we go.
Can we go on this trail?
Yep, that's the direction we're heading. We have a chance of rain here in about 2 hours, so that's about what time we need to be home for dinner. So we'll see how we do. I'm not sure if we'll do the whole orange trail or if we'll carve it up and do a couple different things, but we'll see.
A log bridge.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I've been out here many times, but actually, as many hikes as I've taken Savannah on, I've actually never brought her here, so excited to do this. Nice booty shaking there. There's some nice trails that Broughton's provides to this area, and just really blessed to have that here. They really do the community a great service.
Which way are we gonna go?
Let's go right.
Is this right?
Yep. What do you think, Savannah?
Yeah!
Savannah wanted me to go first. I'm knocking down spider webs, which there are a decent amount out, so I am doing my part to clear the trail today for anyone else that makes it out. We're ready to start camping soon, aren't we, Savannah?
Yeah!
Yeah. Savannah's gonna get her first backpacking trip here soon. She's been camping a lot with me over the years, ever since she was 6 months old. But we're gonna do our first actual backpacking trip here soon. So that's exciting.
I'm gonna unfreeze. Unfreeze. Oh no, it's coming! It's coming towards us!
Dang.
Run! Run, everyone! Run! Freeze!
You saved the day. Thank you.
Freeze! Freeze! I froze your camera.
No.
But it still works.
Thank you.
Freeze the whole city. And
Wow. Those are some amazing frozen powers.
run! It's coming again!
Okay.
It's coming!
Let's go.
Freeze! 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 Freeze!
Unfreeze.
Run! Not slow anymore.
Very good.
Freeze the whole world.
Whoa.
Freeze the whole earth. I'm gonna be froze.
You thaw out.
It's still coming.
Come on, let's go. Let's keep getting away.
Come on, run! Run for your life.
Oh, that's some mud.
I stepped in the rocks.
Good job.
It's moving
Look here. Sasquatch. Dun dun dun. Here we are at a trail intersection. Trail keeps going that direction, but we're going to go over here and just take a quick look at the map. See the different intersections that we're at. Show Savannah where we're at on the map. Come here, Savannah, take a look at the map. Okay.
Where are we?
All right, so we started here, right about right there. And we went here on the orange trail, and we kept following the orange trail and zigzagged, and we're here where this white and green and orange trail all intersect. I think I just heard some thunder.
Wow.
Yep.
Pretty.
Yeah. Okay, so what we actually did, we made it, we started here and we took the orange trail here, got all the way to here. I intended us to take the white trail, but I didn't catch it till we'd already started going down the trail a ways, but we actually hung a left and we ended up on the green trail, and we just followed the green trail all the way. We're here. So how we'll finish up the day is we'll go here and we're actually gonna hook back onto the orange trail and then finish out our day that way. So, but first things first, we're gonna go over here and check out the shelter area and have a little break. Because it looks like, even though I heard thunder a little while ago, I haven't heard any more. But I didn't want to risk it. According to the Doppler, it looked like a storm was. You want to sit in the shelter area or here?
Here.
Okay. So we're going to sit here and have a couple popsicles, and you know, didn't end up the way we thought it would, but we still got a good hike in and enjoyed ourselves. So that's what it's all about. Okay, you ready for popsicles? I think we should eat popsicles first.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Wow.
Little trail tip during the summer with kids. Freeze a thermos for a while. And popsicles.
Can I have this one, please?
Sure can. What do you think, Savannah? Have you enjoyed today? What do you think of the Broughton's nature and wildlife area? It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah!
We'll definitely come back and do more trail time here now that the nicer weather's out. That's good. What do you think of your trail popsicle, Savannah?
Yeah!
Yeah.
I like his hug.
Love you, honey. Mwah. I'm starting to feel a few sprinkles.
Not me.
Oh, not Savannah yet. I'd say we made the right decision to go ahead and cutting the trip short. It was hard to do, but having the young one with me, I didn't want to, definitely don't ever want to push our luck. So always safety first, and I knew we could get off taking that green trail would definitely shorten things up. So worked out just fine.
Still
And
not
once
me
we start hiking, we'll be back at the car within, I don't know, even taking our time, we can be back at the car within 10 minutes. So.
I don't feel a drop. Any drop.
Oh, I'm feeling it. But it
Not
feels
me.
good though. We've got rain jackets, so if we need them, we'll put them on. I just didn't want to risk after hearing some thunder. It wasn't supposed to come for another hour and a half, but that's how Mother Nature works sometimes. But it's definitely starting to sprinkle now. Do you feel it yet? Not yet? Maybe you should freeze that rain.
So it can have cool weather.
Yeah, if you froze the rain, what would it become?
Snow.
Snow, that's right. Good job.
Do you want me to freeze it?
Do it. Use your magic.
Do you want me to do it in the whole earth?
No, just here.
All right. Just in this area?
Yep. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful winter wonderland now. So we're on the green trail, walking away from the shelter, and this is where the orange trail pops out, depending on which way you went. Like if we'd stayed on the orange trail, we would have come from here. And you take the green trail for just a really short hop, and then you end up back on the orange trail just up this way, which we're gonna hop back off of the green trail and finish up on the orange trail. Should be actually a little bit easier to walk on.
Are you sure it's this way?
Mm-hmm, I'm sure. Good job. Whoa, good balance. Well done.
That looks like a snake.
It does look like a snake. Almost back to the truck.
I'm not even tired at all.
Yeah, well, it's good. Careful on the wood. Good job keeping your balance. Okay, Savannah, what do you think of the Broughton trails?
Yeah!
Pretty awesome. Had a good time with popsicles and candy, and got to hike in the rain a little bit. And it worked out really well because we made it to a shelter just when the downpour came. You got a lot of energy. I thought we'd go further, and you got to eat all the candy that we normally would have saved for a longer trip. But,
I'm Savannah.
That's right. But anyways, it was a great to get out, even though it was a shorter trip. Just always a blessing to have any time out in nature that we can get. So thanks for joining Journey on the Trail. Bye.